What's up, cats? What's up, cats? It's your boy TKC, the Top Cat, back again with another video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Also follow me on other platforms if you get a chance to, and also follow my second page. My second page. This video, we're finna get in the second round of the 6.5 in the back. And we finna replace those. This is gonna probably be a quick little process. And we're gonna get it done all one day. I ain't gonna spend too much like I did last time. So we're gonna end up putting these in there. I got 2 of these and a set of twigs back there. So we're gonna all get it in and go from there. So I'm trying to find my light. I need to go get me charge my light up. Let's see. We got 2. So we're gonna end up replacing that and add a tweeter back there too. So I got the mids right there. I'm gonna keep the mids. I don't got a set of mids. If you can see right there, it's a mid right there. It's a 6.5 in the bottom. And I'm gonna add a tweeter to the side so it can fill in. So it's not gonna take too long. I'm just gonna turn and burn, and that's it. I just gotta replace those. So I gotta get all my materials and go ahead and get them out. I'm not gonna waste no time. I just gotta get all my stuff. And it should not take long. I gotta see what I have to put that in. I should get it. I just need 2 sets of them. I'm trying to find my box. So I'm gonna have to map this out. See what time it is. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh, I don't know where my phone is. That's strange. Very strange. That is so strange. I know I have my phone here. I gotta find it. I'm hearing the vibrations. I don't know where is it. That's weird. Very, very weird. Oh, it's right there. God almighty. Oh my God. I need to charge this thing. It's 6:33. Put this on charge. There you go. Charge. I'm finna get everything what I needed. Set this light off. It's gonna be a quick process. I'm not gonna comb on like I did the other ones. Just go ahead and get it done. Somewhere. So I'm all good. So got those 2. I got my tweezers over here. Well, I got tweezers over there. Find my other speakers. I'm all good. This just temporary. I'm gonna change them out for one of these. I got these out in my silver car, and I got another pair of these going in my white car. So that's probably later on through the videos. So I'm just putting these two inside here until I upgrade again. So I got an amp, but I got a factory amp put on there. So I'm taking advantage of it until then. Until I upgrade then I go from there. Enough talking. We finna get it in and go from there. Okay, this was a pain in the ass, just a little bit. So what I did is, I see everybody taking this panel off. If you care about the panel, just go ahead, just factory take this seat and this seat and some buttons on each corner and take it out main. But if you don't care, just wanted to get a drill bit, get one bigger than this, a little bit bigger. Drill a hole right there. I'm gonna show you. Drill a hole right there. You can see the hole right there. Put it to the camera. Hold on. You see a hole right there. That's how I have to make a hole to get the other screw up out of there. And that's just me. And if you care about your stuff, just take the whole panel out. Just take the two seats and the buttons off this panel and take it out for the change the speaker. So what I did was, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Ain't like nobody gonna see it. So I just took the drill a hole with a drill bit, a little big enough, and take this little bolt right here off. And that's how I popped this off. So I saw everybody else just taking the panel off. I'm like, what is the easy way to just take this panel off? So I just get this little drill bit, drill a hole right there. Where is it? Find it where the screw it with a flashlight and everything else. Once you find it, you make that hole right there by the screw and take the screw off. So that's what I did. So it ain't too much. It ain't much. And nobody ain't gonna notice it because you gonna cover it up with the little screen part, so nobody ain't gonna know. And bam, you took it out. So I'm finna do the same thing on this side. So I go ahead and kill two birds in one stone and go from there. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man. this done. I actually made all new holes and new screws. I mean, not new screws, but I made new holes just to put them in. One of the holes I found, and I put that one on there. Put that one in. If you can't get the screw out, the original screw out, it's just get you one of these computer tools. And I don't know what size this thing is on the tip. Get that size, you stick it in this hole right here to make it, or even you got to make it a bigger hole. It really don't make no difference. That's how you get the other screw, other than just you want to take the other panel out. Just let y'all know. If y'all care about it, if y'all care about it, just going, like I just said, just put both of these things out and get the original panel off the original way. But if you don't care, just make a drill hole and take the other screw out, put the 6.5 in it. So what I'm gonna do with this one here is I'm gonna take this off. I got another one look like this, and put my tweeter right here. So I have all this right there. So I have a small mid-range and a tweeter right there. So I'm gonna install it. So one side, install the other one on the other side. On the other side, so this one. So let's get to it. So now you got that on there. You got the tweeter. You got the 6.5. It's all on there. I got a crossover inside. I forgot to show you how to crossover. Got a crossover inside of it, and so it should be straight. It should sound a lot better, a lot of clarity. However, but we're gonna test it out at the end of the video. I gotta get the other side like this and go from there. So let's get to it right now. It's loud, boy. It's loud. It's loud. Sound good. I see a little bit clarity, but it's loud. It is loud as shit. It's loud. I get everything. Everything in there. And it's loud. It's loud. Man, I just don't want to get in the copyright, but it's loud. It's loud as shit. But damn, this shit loud as fuck. But I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna take the car out. Turn y'all back on.